Birthdays this morning, starting with young Briley Renee, turning 5 out of Girard. Looking nice for the camera. Happy birthday, Briley.
What a cute picture of Briley there.
Yeah.
Chief Miller is 7 strong this year, riding strong on that bike there in Seneca. Happy birthday, Chief.
We head back to Girard. Ellie Carson. She's also 7 strong this year. Happy birthday to you, Ellie.
Great picture there.
Yeah.
And the Heddies will be celebrating in Parsons. Owen Heddy is 7 years old. Great picture there of little Owen in Parsons.
We want to wish a happy birthday to Jackson Barcelona. I guess his nickname is Joe. Whether you go by Joe or Jackson, happy 11th birthday to you.
All right, out in Fredonia, Braylon Gayu celebrated earlier this week, actually on Tuesday, turning 11 years old. Happy birthday, Braylon.
Yeah, happy birthday to you. We move on to Madison. Let me get this last name right. Either Rival or Rebel. 18 in Humboldt. Happy birthday, Madison.
Bindi Cunningham turning 50 years old. The big 5-0 for Bindi. Hope you have a great one.
All right, we have Dave Ashmore out of Arma turning 68. Happy birthday to you, Dave.
In Girard, Janet Houston celebrating birthday number 71 this year. Looks like she's got a little one to spoil there now.
Absolutely. We have our first anniversary on the list. Jan and Roland Campbell out of Girard. 31 years of wedded bliss. Happy anniversary to you too.
Well, the Wells are celebrating 32 years this year in Joplin. Congrats going out to Gary and Bonnie Wells.
Happy anniversary to those two as well. We round out the birthday list today with Bill McDermott turning 80 out of Crestline, Jenny Snow out of Frontenac, adding another candle to the cake, and a happy birthday to Kylie Fagan. If you want us to wish you a happy birthday or to give you an anniversary shout out, just let us know. Send an email to us at birthdays@KOAMTV.com or just head over to KOAMNewsNow.com/birthdays. And don't forget about the birthday club. We can't forget about that, right, Tanya?
That's right. You can be a part of it by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
All right, we want to thank E-Rail Commodity for help sponsoring the birthday club. Now let's get back